Kick drums have been harvested by human beings for millennia. 20,000 years ago, humans would use cattle to sow and extract kick drums from fields and trade them with neighbours for exposure and clout. In the Middle Ages, kick drums were made out of hemp and used as a weapon of war, fired at neighbouring sea vessels. Here are some 20th century coopers bonding together wooden kick drums before being sent to a speakeasy to be mixed with electro swing music. In the modern times, kick drums are made on huge producer farms where thousands of underpaid producers are forced to work at all hours and fed on a diet consisting of only anime and Papa John's. These are then distributed on the black market and sold to middle-class complete addicts in hairy street deals, and the struggle for producers to be recognised for their contribution to modern music continues.